Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and in today's video we are going to see our channel's first non-veg recipe. It is a fish curry. It is not a usual one. So this fish curry we will be graining almost everything and using it. Trust me, the taste will be amazing. This was taught by my friend and in today's video I have added a special trick. So please not to skip the video. Before we get into the video, please do subscribe, share and subscription is very important. Let's get into the video. Thank you. Let's see what are the requirements. 20 small onions which I had made a paste. It's not like fine paste, just a normal paste you have to make. And 3 medium size tomatoes I had made a fine paste. And 100 ml of coconut milk which I had filtered. And 2 chilies I had slit in the center. And 10 curry leaves. 20 fenugreek seeds. And half a teaspoon of mustard and urad dal together. And 1 gooseberry size tamarind ball. 10 medium-sized garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Pepper, garlic and cumin we have to grind it and use it. That I will tell you at that time. And for masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of dhania powder and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. And 2 teaspoon of chili kulambu powder. There is something called as kulambu chili powder which is available. If it is not available from your end, you can use 2 teaspoons of fish curry masala. I am using fish curry masala only. And 75 ml of sesame oil, which is 5 tablespoons of oil. That would be fine. And fish meat, I have taken 500 grams. If you see, this is sear fish. I have taken sear fish which is slightly big and large. So that's why just 4 pieces have come for 500 grams. So whichever fish you like, you can take it. But however, the quantity should be 500 grams. And now the pan is heated up. And first the oil. And now the mustard seed and urad dal. And the fenugreek seeds. You have to get the fenugreek seed smell. Once you get it, you have to add the chili and the curry leaves. Just give a fry. And now we have to add the onions. We have to cook the onions till it turns golden brown. So once it turns golden brown color, you have to reduce the flame and add the tomato puree. So now it has to be in the slim flame only. And now you have to add all the powders, chili, turmeric and dhania. The flame should be in slim only. You have to be careful about it. And mix it gently. And put a lid over it. And you have to cook till the oil separates. You have to wait and cook till the oil separates. You can see the oil gets separated. And now you have to add the fish curry masala. So fish curry masala, once you add, just give a mix. You don't need to cook it. Just mix it gently with the mixture which was available earlier. And now you have to add the tamarind extract. From the tamarind ball, I had made the extract. You have to add that and mix it. And you have to add water as much as you require. And mix it nicely. And add salt. I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt. As per your requirement, you can add the salt. And you have to keep it in high flame and let it boil. Now you have to keep it in high flame. So once it boils, add the fish pieces. And once you add the pieces, leave it for 3 minutes in high flame only. Let it cook. The fishes have to cook. So now it is done. I am reducing it to slim flame and adding the coconut milk. And then the paste which I said initially, the garlic, cumin and pepper. I had made a fine paste and I am adding that. And after adding that, gently mix it so that the fish won't break and keep it in high flame and give a minute. So now our fish curry masala is ready. However, generally if you see on top of the fish curry masala, an oil with chili powder and everything will float and it gives a fantastic look and aroma. How to get that look? I will tell you now. That's a trick. So just move the pan aside and take another pan, heat it up and put it in slim flame only and add 1 spoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of oil and 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder and mix it nicely. It should not get burnt, and take it off and pour it gently over the curry. That's all, it's done. And give 2 minutes in sim flame, let it set. It's done 2 minutes now, and you can see our fish masala is ready and it's very yummy looking. And I have transferred into a bowl and added coriander leaves for garnishing. You can see on top red oily substance floats and it looks very yummy and it smells too good. It tastes very nice. You have to try, guys. It's done. Thank you.